Want to turn any website into an Android app in minutes without coding? Today I'll show you how to convert any website into an APK. First, open any internet browser you have on your PC or phone and click the link in the description. When the website opens, you need to create a free account. Click on Authorize, then enter your username, email address, and password and click Register. After creating your account, go to the App Make page. Now, open the website that you want to convert into an app in a new tab. Copy the website link, just like I'm doing here. Go back to Web into App and paste the link into the URL box. Next, give your app a name. You can use any name you want. After that, click Next. Then click on Make App. Now simply wait a few seconds while your app is being generated. Once it's finished, click on the download icon. And shows download for free. A zip file will download to your device. Open the zip file. Inside, you'll see many files, but the only file you need is the one that ends with .apk. Extract the APK file, then transfer it to your Android phone if you're on PC. On your phone, tap the APK file and allow installation from unknown sources if prompted.